In this video, we are going to discuss very most important multi-conceptual question. Okay, let us see that given question. F of x is equals to, here two cases are given. 5x plus 1 if x less than or equals to 2, integration 0 to x 5 plus modulus of 1 minus t into dt if x is greater than 2. Then which of the following statement is incorrect? Option A, f is continuous but not differentiable at x is equals to 2. Option B, f of x is not continuous at x is equals to 2. F of x is differentiable for all x belongs to R. Option D, the right hand derivative of f of x at x is equals to 3 does not exist. Okay, so first in this question we have to simplify integration 0 to x 5 plus modulus of 1 minus t into dt when x is greater than 2. So first of all we will be simplify this one. See here f of x is equals to so integration 0 to x 5 plus modulus of 1 minus t into dt. First you have to be solve this one. Okay, see here modulus of 1 minus t. This one will be equals to 0 when t is equals to 1. So you have to write this one will be integration 0 to 1 5 plus modulus of 1 minus t into dt plus integration 1 to x 5 plus modulus of 1 minus t into dt. See here you understand when t value is that lies between 0 to 1 minus t value will be the positive. So you can write this value is that integration 0 to 1 5 plus 1 minus t into dt. Okay, plus when t value is that greater than 1 minus t value is the negative. So integration 1 to x 5 minus of 1 minus t into dt. So now you simplify this value, that is equals to integration 0 to 1 5 plus 1 is a 6 minus t into dt plus integration 1 to x 5 minus 1 is that of 4 minus into minus plus t into dt What is that integration of 6 minus t into dt? 6 integration will be 6 into t minus integration of t will be nothing but t square by 2, right? The limits will be 0 to 1 plus 4 plus t integration will be 4 into t plus t square by 2. The limits will be 1 to x. Now this one you can write that first of all you substitute the upper limit 6 minus 1 by 2 minus of substitute the lower limit, that value will be 0 plus here it will be 4x plus x square by 2 minus of 4 plus 1 by 2. Lower limit is x is t is equals to 1. So 4 plus 1 by 2. Now simplify this value. This one will be equals to 6 minus 1 by 2 is that 11 by 2. 11 by 2 plus 4 into x plus x square by 2 minus here 4 plus 1 by 2 will be 9 by 2. So this one will write as that is equals to x square by 2 x square by 2 plus 4 into x 11 by 2 minus 9 by 2 that is equals to 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is equals to 1. So plus 1. So now therefore f of x value, therefore what is that f of x value? F of x will be equals to x square by 2 plus 4 into x plus 1. This one is in which case x is greater than 2 or x is less than 2? X will be greater than 2. So now here f of x value will be this one if x is greater than 2. So now after this one you find out that when x is greater than 2 and when x is that less than 2, you will be verify that continuity. So continuity means first you find that left hand limit at x is equals to 2. So this one will be denoted as f of 2 minus what is that f of x value when x is that less than 2? That value will be equals to what is that value? 5x plus 1. 5x plus 1. So here you can write that 5 into x value, you can write that 2 plus 1. So this value will be equals to 11. Actually this is not that a proper method, but this one you have to be write that limit x is tending to 2 minus 5x plus 1. So this is that actually you will be right. So now here you substitute that x is equals to 2, you will be get that 5 into 2 plus 1. So that is equals to 11. But here I substituted that directly. So now next one is that right hand limit at x is equals to 2. Right hand limit at x is equals to 2. So now f of 2 plus when x is greater than 2, that value will be limit x is tending to 2 plus what is that f of x value when x is greater than 2? Just now you find that, just now you simplified f of x value. That value will be x square by 2 plus 4 into x plus 1. So now you see here you put that x is equals to 2 in this one. This value will be 4 by 2 plus 4 into 2 is that 8 plus 1, that is equals to total this value will be 11. And next one is that f of 2 value when x is equals to 2, what is that f of x value? 5x plus 1 when x is equals to 2. See this one in the given question. So when x is equals to 2, you have that f of x value is a 5x plus 1. So directly you can write that x is equals to 2 in that function. So when x is equals to 2, that value will be 5 into 2 plus 1. So this value is also will be equals to 11. Therefore you see here this one you can understand left hand limit will be equals to right hand limit f of 2 plus is equals to f of 2. So you know the concept of the continuity. At any point x is equals to a, the function is to become the continuous left hand limit should be equals to right hand limit will be equals to f of a. So therefore the conclusion is that what? Therefore f of x is continuous. F of x is continuous. F of x is continuous at x is equals to 2. At x is equals to 2. So now according to the given options, you verify f of x is the differentiable or non-differentiable. See here what is that f of x value. F of x value is given as 5x plus 1. If x will be less than or equals to, if x will be less than or equals to 2, and when x is greater than 2, what is that f of x value? Now here we simplified. When x is greater than 2, now f of x value will be x square by 2 plus 4x plus 1. So here you write that x square by 2 plus 4x plus 1. So this value will be if x is greater than 2. So after this one, so what is that procedure to find? Now we will be discuss that a simple method. Find that f dash of x in both cases. What is that f dash of x in both cases? That will be, this is that of 5 if x is less than or equals to 2. Okay, and when x is greater than 2, the derivative of the function will be x plus 4. Okay, if x is greater than 2. So now you find out that f dash of 2 minus, so what is the derivative of the function when x is less than 2? That value will be 5. And next f dash of 2 plus is equals to, this value will be, so what is that f of x, f dash of x value when x is greater than 2, x plus 4. So this one will be 2 plus 4, that is equals to 6. So here therefore f dash of 2 minus, f dash of 2 minus, f dash of 2 minus means left hand derivative at x is equals to 2, not equals to f dash of 2 plus. F dash of 2 plus means right hand derivative at x is equals to 2. So clearly this one is not differentiable. Why? Because what is the definition of the differentiability of the function at x is equals to a? Left hand derivative at x is equals to a will be equals to right hand derivative at x is equals to a. Then the function is differentiable at x is equals to a, otherwise non-differentiable. So here the conclusion is clearly f of x is non-differentiable, is non-differentiable at x is equals to non-differentiable at x is equals to 2. So now after this is the conclusion. So now according to the given options, you see what are the given options? Given options will be here, that given options will be, first option is that f of x is a continuous but not differentiable at x is equals to 2. So this is a correct statement. But in question, which of the following statements is incorrect? So first statement, option A is the correct. F of x is not continuous at x is equals to 2. But we have that f of x is continuous. So here that B is that incorrect statement. So B is your answer. And next one, f of x is differentiable for all x belongs to R. But here f of x is non-differentiable at x is equals to 2. So obviously it is not possible. So here this one is also your right answer. Next one, the right hand derivative of f of x at x is equals to 3 does not exist. Right hand derivative means when x is greater than 3. So when x is greater than 3 means you can take that here x is greater than 3 means x value is that it is greater than 2. So when x is greater than 2, you have this one will be f of x value will be, what is that f of x value? X square by 2 plus 4x plus 1. If x is greater than 2, if x value is greater than 2 means, so 3 plus and 3 minus both will be defined, but because of 3 plus and 3 minus, 3 plus means that is the greater than 3 and 3 minus means and less than 3. So both will be finite values but not equal, so but in the question is that right hand derivative at x is equals to 3 does not exist, but here right hand derivative will be exist na? So here what is that right hand derivative? See, f dash of 3 plus, f dash of 3 plus means here x is that greater than 2. When x is greater than 2, that f of x value will be x square by 2 plus 4x plus 1. So here if you substitute, this one will be 9 by 2 plus this value is that 12 plus 1. So this is a finite value, that is equals to 9 by 2 plus 13. 9 by 2 plus 13. So this is a finite value, finite and non-zero value. So obviously what do you say the conclusion? So this right hand derivative at x is equals to 3 will be exist, but here this one is given as in the options does not exist, does not exist. So this is the wrong statement. So your answer will be D is also the right answer. So what are the final conclusions? So to this function f of x, which of the following statements are incorrect? That is option B is that incorrect statement, option C is also incorrect statement, option D is also incorrect statements. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.